Hey, what's up guys? bickfpv coming at you with the first review of the channel, and we got today the NewBeeDrone unicorn motors. So first we're going to jump right on into my first dozen packs or so into the unicorn motors on the Acro BV2 from NewBeeDrone, and then we'll sum it all up of my final thoughts on the NewBeeDrone motors. Alright guys, so final thoughts on the unicorn motors is I'm loving them so far. I'm really liking the performance gains, even though I'm giving up a little bit of battery time on them. So for the weight of this whoop here, I'm looking at about 23 grams in total without a battery. And it's not the lightest of builds, but for the most part the unicorn motors are going to just blow it out of the water and you're going to be ripping. So I'd say if you got the coin to spend on them, definitely buy them, try them out. Especially if you're into the acro flying or really trying to rip up your basement. Thanks for watching the first review on the channel. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed, and comment if you have any questions. Subscribe if you want to see more in the future, and keep on ripping.